Hi, in this video we are going to see the assistant professor vacancies from the arts, science, commerce, engineering and department different colleges guys. Okay, that means I am going to bring you the vacancies regarding all these departments from the three different colleges. So here huge number of vacancies are there. So once again it is a very good news to the postgraduate candidates guys. Why? Because whatever the opportunities I am going to show you in this video, so PG candidates, PG plus UGC net candidates as well as the PhD candidates also the opportunities are there. So few more opportunities already I uploaded in the morning video guys. So the candidates who wants to look, who are looking for the vacancies notification based upon the PG, you may refer my morning video through my YouTube channel guys. And please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the faculty job notifications. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon and watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this recruitment notification. And please give me one like for this video guys. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGC NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. Coming to the present content of the video, so here out of the three colleges, here the first one is Unnamalai College of Arts and Science, and it is affiliated to one of the state university guys, Kovilpatti, and applications are invited from the eligible candidates for the post of assistant professor in Tamil, English, mathematics, computer science and commerce, librarian and physical director, and qualifications as per the university norms, and clerk cum typist also required, any degree with Tamil and English typing skill, and you have to apply immediately guys. So whoever the candidates having the post graduation qualification in these departments, then you may send your resume to this provided email ID, that is UCASKPT. I will little bit zoom this one guys so that it will be clearly visible to all of you. So it is a mail ID ucasKpt@gmail.com. Okay, so the interested candidates may apply to this, mean send your resume or else whatever the necessary documents are there to this mail ID guys. Fine. So it is one vacancy. And while coming to the next one is Ramakrishna Wag Arts and Commerce College from Nagpur guys. So from this one here we got the applications are invited for the following post for the session 2021 to 22 in the following subjects, and here you may check down. So all the vacancies are under the open category guys. Why? Because here as per the reservation categories, they did not mention any vacancies. So all the candidates may apply to this provided vacancies under the unreserved category. So coming to the subjects, assistant professor in English and BCCA commerce and sociology, Marathi, political science, economics, music, okay, and home eco and Hindi, public administration as well as the fashion design. Okay, so I got one comment regarding the economics recruitment. So I think this economics subject recruitment in the assistant professor might be helpful to you, to the candidate whoever posted the comment. And apart from this one, the librarian as well as the director physical education is also there. So coming to the essential qualification, you must have the PG in this respective departments. Along with that one, the candidate must have the SET or NET or PhD must be there with 55% in the PG guys. Fine. Application should be submitted with the required documents of educational qualifications, one passport size photo, Aadhaar card within 15 days from the date of advertisement on the above address. That means whatever the address is mentioned, that means you have to send guys. Okay, if you are nearer, then try to submit the copy directly to the office, or else if you are very long, then try to send the post guys. And here the contact number is provided 9552567924. Interested candidates may once call to this one and just make an inquiry regarding if you are having any queries regarding this advertisement guys. And actually this advertisement came on July 1st 2021, so 15 days time is there, means up to 15th. Okay, you can take up to July 15th, the time is there. So interested candidates may apply for this one. And while coming to the next one is, it is here in this college a lot of vacancies are there guys. So here let's see carefully. It is Mano Rachna Educational Institutions. Fine. So under this one here the lot of means few colleges are there. Manav Rachna International Institute of Research and Studies, and Rachna University, and the Dental College. Fine. And yeah, it is a NAC accredited, guys. And applications are invited for the dean, director, professor, associate, as well as the assistant professor in the respective departments, that is engineering and technology. So computer, data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, okay, mechanical, civil, aeronautical, and mechatronics. And coming to the applied sciences, physics, chemistry, mathematics, environmental sciences, geology, and earth science. And in the humanities and social sciences, English, psychology, sports, clinical psychology, education psychology, social work, liberal arts, political science, sociology, public policy and administration. And coming to the economics, big data analytics, business and finance and development economics. And in computer applications, commerce and management, commerce, finance, accounts, company law, economics. Okay, so here also economics related branch is there. So the candidate whoever commented to me, so please look on this one. Okay, so economic specialization in policy making, marketing, HR and operation research, international business strategy and entrepreneurship. And next law and LLM and design. So coming to the education department, integrated B.Ed and B.Ed and B.Ed special education. And coming to the health sciences, so regarding the nutrition also, I got the comment to find out the jobs regarding nutrition. So here the health sciences, physiotherapy, nutrition and dietetics, food science and technology, sports science. And coming to the media studies, journalism and mass communication, and foreign language, Spanish, German, French, and Mandarin. And dental sciences also vacancies are there. Okay, the candidate recruited as professor, associate, and assistant professor in the area of computer applications, commerce, business studies, interior design, economics, and applied psychology can be considered for the position as program coordinator and course coordinator respectively in the respective areas for the center of online programs. Okay, eligibility as per the UGC, ACT, BCI, DCI, NCT, RCI norms, guys. And the non-academic positions are also there. Head librarian, content developer in English and Hindi, accountant, web developer, graphic designer, CTO, senior admission counselor, head marketing and manager incubation, and administrative post for center of online programs under MIRMS. So here also few more vacancies are there. Director, assistant director, academic counselor, chief technical manager, technical assistant and technical manager, technical assistant in admissions, in examination branch, and in production and audio video recording and editing, and audio video recording as well as audio video editing. Fine. So for all these things also they are requiring, guys. And the salary shall not be limiting. Okay, Manav Rancha is an equal opportunity provider for all, and no discrimination is made on the basis of religion, caste, creed, etc. In service and eligible candidates may apply online and send their resume to the careers.mrei@mrei.ac.in within 10 days of the advertisement. Shortlisted candidates will be intimated and called for the interview. Fine. I am suggesting you that even though if you have the post graduation, then simply try to send your resume to this provided mail ID, guys. Fine. And here the contact numbers are also provided. So if you are having any queries regarding this one, then you may contact this number, guys. Okay. So I hope this video will be really helpful to the lot of candidates who are looking for the job opportunities. Okay. So here, whoever the candidates are looking for the respect, I mean the candidates or the subjects which are not covered here, please put your subject and the city in your comment section, guys. Based upon that one, I will try to upload in the next video. Okay, so please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate exam, here one announcement follows, so listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the national eligibility test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and a general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I'm Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with the doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900 and for 3 months 2,823 and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of these different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF and few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay. So based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF.